Hey there. If you are a very busy, time-pressured CFO or CEO awash in critical projects, deadlines, site issues, and other problems, but find yourself constantly distracted and slowed down by CAD issues, slow field internet, file sharing difficulties, email inbox size complications, and a host of other aggravating IT-related problems, you're in the right place. My name is Aaron Zimmerman, President of Total Care IT. We specialize in IT systems and support for engineering and architectural firms. Our clients hire us when they want their email, internet, and CAD faster and without interruptions. That simply means we make everything work the way it's supposed to, without excuses, problems, or complexity. Although this isn't a breakthrough concept, I'm amazed by how many IT firms can't get this right. Even more amazing is how many companies tolerate such poor service from outsourced IT firms. In fact, our research has shown that most leadership teams like yours have 4 big problems they are chronically plagued with that their current IT company just can't seem to solve. See if you agree. Problem number 1, you have constant problems with CAD files. Whether it's trying to recover a critical project file that was overwritten, accidentally deleted, or has mysteriously become corrupt, or ensuring you don't lose files altogether, this is a big area of concern for our clients. Most outsourced IT firms will back up your files and drawings, but not hourly, so when they finally recover your file, it's an older version from weeks or days ago, which means you've lost countless hours of work, costing you precious man-hours and productivity, possibly missing deadlines, and frustrating everyone involved. This is completely preventable and unnecessary. We have a unique process that allows us to restore files by the hour, which means you won't lose days or weeks of work, which could save you thousands of dollars in rework and missed deadlines. Problem number 2, you cannot easily share or email large files. How many times have you tried to email a file only to have your email freeze up, crash, and stop working? Or have email stop working altogether because your mailbox is full? Or how often do remote workers find themselves frustrated, unable to access critical drawings and files? These are all 100% fixable and avoidable, yet most IT firms simply don't implement solutions that prevent these things from happening. Problem number 3, unexpected cloud outages and slow vendor support. With many cloud hosting providers, you might face sudden service disruptions or performance lags. Relying on Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure often means waiting for their support teams to resolve critical issues. We avoid these headaches by offering our own private cloud infrastructure right here in Boise. Your data is kept in Idaho, and we can respond to problems fast without depending on third-party vendors. Problem number 4, poor communication, terrible response times, and horrible service from your outsourced IT company. When you call their office, you get voicemail. When they finally get around to calling you back, they don't resolve the problem quickly and then take days or weeks to finally get it fixed. To make matters worse, you have recurring problems that come up again and again. Meanwhile, your blood pressure is going through the roof because you have hard deadlines that you must hit. Clearly, you shouldn't have to tolerate this type of poor service. As I stated earlier, our support team is local. We have an office in Boise and an office in Idaho Falls. We also answer all support calls live and have an average response time of 19 minutes or less from when you report a problem to when an engineer is working to resolve it. We also offer emergency after hours and weekend support since most business owners work outside the normal 9-to-5 workday. As a no-risk way of introducing our services, I'd like to offer you a free, no obligation, no sales pressure IT systems assessment where I'll send one of my senior technicians or myself to your office. Once at your location, we'll be able to walk around and conduct an in-depth review of your computer network to not only reveal if your current system is set up to prevent these 4 big problems, but also to look for ways to enable you to work and communicate faster. We focus heavily on secure IT and want to make sure you are protected from cybercrime, corrupt and lost files, slowness, and other ticking time bombs that could bring your network down at the most inconvenient time. Here's some specific things you will discover from this free IT assessment. Is your current outsourced IT company really truly doing the maintenance and monitoring they should be doing, that you might even be paying them to do? Are your IT systems truly secured from hackers, cybercriminals, viruses, new AI threats, and even sabotage by rogue employees? Are your backups configured properly to allow you to recover file versions that were saved an hour ago, a day ago, a week ago? Also, if you lost it all to ransomware or some other disaster, how fast could you be back up and running again at full speed? In 99% of the computer networks we've reviewed over the years, the owners were shocked to learn they would not be able to restore everything as fast as they thought. Could you utilize more efficient cloud technologies to make it easier to work remotely with large files? Are your systems, email and CAD systems, optimized for maximum speed and performance? Are you having licensing issues, file sharing issues when attempting to email large files, slowness, and other glitches? We'll diagnose all of these issues and provide answers on how to resolve them. They are easily fixed. Once we have a clear picture of the state, health, and performance of your current IT systems, we'll deliver a customized report and quote that will show you how to eliminate every single nagging problem and keep your people working. We hope you become a client, but if not, you'll still see value from this service. You will also have my personal guarantee that high-pressure sales tactics will not be used at any point during our engagement. We want this to be a delightful, informative, and positive experience for you. So what is your next step? To schedule your free IT systems assessment, please call my office at 208-881-9713. If you want to talk with me personally about your current IT frustrations or setup but aren't ready for a systems assessment, let's hop on a discovery call. That's just a nice term for a short 15-minute call where we can get to know each other more and discuss your IT pain points. To schedule a discovery call with me, just call my office or send me an email, or go to totalcareit.net/discovery call. If you are viewing this on our website, there should be a form on this page that you can fill out to schedule a discovery call. You will even see my live calendar once you submit the form, so you can pick a time that is convenient for you. I look forward to talking with you more and keeping your people working.